Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17, Shloka 9. The foods that are bitter, sour, saline, excessively hot, pungent, dry, and burning are liked by the Rajasika and are productive of pain, grief, and disease.
Chapter 17, Shloka 9. Katvam lalavanatyushna tishna ruksha vidahinaha ahara rajasasyeshta dukkashogamaya pradaha.
Chapter 17, Shloka 9, explaining the Rajasic type of men and their taste in food. The Lord says, Rajasic men who are full of passion and energy desire such food that have strong flavor and dense taste. They have a liking for bitter, sour, saltish, very hot, pungent, harsh, burning tastes, etc. These create in Rajasic individuals brilliant energies, but in their wildness they become uncontrollable and therefore in the end lead the eater to a life of pain, grief, and disease. A mere control of diet cannot change the nature of the person. The texture of food indicates the inner nature. However, when the nature of the thoughts change, the individual will find himself changing tastes, even choice of food that would give him satisfaction. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.